As for rosemary, I let it run all over my garden walls. Not only because my bees love it, but because it is a herb sacred to remembrance and to friendship. Whence a spring of it hath a dumb language, quoted Sir Thomas More. Here I have rosemary or Salvia rosmarinus, a shrub with fragrant evergreen needle-like leaves and white, pink, purple or blue flowers, largely native to the Mediterranean region. In India, rosemary is known as Rosemary in Ayurveda. An aromatic medicinal plant, it is famous for its essential oil that is widely used in the manufacturing of soaps and perfumes. Rosemary has little blue flowers and has an aromatic, distinct flavor. As a plant, it is warm and temperature loving. This 1-footer can grow to 3 feet. I came across one such rosemary bush at my papa's uncle's farmhouse in Uttarakhand, which provided for herbs throughout the year. It is a sun-loving shrub. It's best to give it sufficient space. However, you can plant them closely as well to create a small hedge in the corner. Growing rosemary is easy through seeds as well as cuttings. Spring is often a great season for their growth. A good pruning in season shall enlarge further growth. As a thumb rule for most plants, never prune a plant more than 1/3 its size. This is one herb which stays fresh and dried similarly. You can store its dried cuttings for over 2 years and more. Rosemary tea is very popular as an energizer and refresher. Try to put a twig of rosemary and place it in your microwave oven. You will be pleasantly amazed with the aroma in your kitchen. Rosemary is high in antioxidants, is anti-inflammatory and has antimicrobial properties. It lowers blood sugar, is good for eyes, memory and also lowers my papa's mood. Most commercially used rosemary comes to us from Spain, France and Morocco. However, it is easy to grow your own in temperate climates. Rosemary is a good source of vitamin A, thiamine and magnesium and a very good source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, iron and manganese. Rosemary was considered sacred to the ancient Egyptians, Romans and Greeks. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faida to know lots more. Bye for now.